Would you like an easier way to archive your courses on your Thinkific site? Meaning sort them within the courses. So the ones that you don't use, the ones that are inactive, all of those use cases, you don't have to have them in your current course list. Well, Thinkific has rolled out a new feature and it's for archiving courses. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it and how it may or may not impact you. So up until very recently, when you went into your courses on your Thinkific site, all of your courses were listed here. You could show it in list view or grid view. One of these is going to be the view that is probably on your site right now. But there was no way to sort of get rid of the ones that you didn't want right in front of you that were current and being used. So as you can see on mine, I have a ton of ones that I used to have or maybe are not active, or maybe are being revamped, or any of those things. And I don't want those in my full course list. I just want the ones that are used right now or ones that I'm working on right now. And so Thinkific has very recently given us the ability to archive courses. So I'm just back in list view, and when you go under learning products and courses, you're going to see courses, instructors, reorder, and archived. This is the new one. This is how you archive courses and find your archived courses. So before, what I would do is I would just mark them as delete or don't use or something like that. I might put a Z in front of them and move them to the bottom of the list. There was all sorts of workarounds to be able to sort of move those ones out of my view. But now we can archive them. So I'm going to go to one of my courses that is not in use right now. And all you have to do, if you're in this list view, you click these three dots here. If you're in grid view, same thing, you'd click these three dots here. So let's go back down to this one. Let's say I'm going to click these three dots and I'm going to put it in archive. So then I will get this pop up that says archiving a course means that it will no longer show on the courses tab and move to the archive tab. Published courses will remain published and your students can still access them. So it doesn't change the settings, like if you have it marked as private or hidden, published, those all remain intact. It just means that it's out of your view under the courses tab in this courses section under learning products. And it also says you can unarchive at any time. So I'm going to click don't show me this again because I know this now. And I'm going to move that course to archive. So what it's going to do is it's going to disappear from my courses tab. So this one right here. And it's going to now be in my archive tab. So now I can go over to archive and see all of my courses that I don't want in my current view under archived. If I want to unarchive this at some point, I can click on those three dots and click on unarchive, and they'll go back into my courses section of my Thinkific site. Now, even if you have a course in this archive section, you can still continue to edit it, work on it, exactly the same as if it was in your courses tab. It's just a different view, and it's taken it out of courses and put into archived. So it's as easy as that to archive and unarchive your courses on your Thinkific site. I'll drop some links below to additional resources if you're interested in creating a thriving online education business. And if you need additional help, there'll be links below to that as well. If you have any questions about the archiving tab, please feel free to drop them below. Look forward to seeing you again.